So let's look at BTC USDT sharp EFS swap using our RSI divergence strategy. This is a weekly time frame. Every price action here represents a weekly candle. The reason behind the higher time frame analysis is for clear directional bias. And I see a lot of traders, the way they approach market in a very wrong way. And even some of them whom you look up to as a six-figure trader, they are trading the wrong way. We have used this strategy, we have tried it on stocks, we have tried it on indices. We are not trying it out on crypto, and the result is the same. So this strategy was born out of the curiosity in understanding a true way to approach the market. Just to remind you that the market is well structured. It's a kind reminder. So let's start from the RSI divergence, where I look out for potential break of structure. And from the floor in May 2022, I have a structure and the potential break of structure where price moved from downswing to upswing. You can see when price started making the WW structure, as price make a W structure, the RSI make a W structure. It returns again a W structure, RSI does the same. And look at it complementing from the main chart. RSI is a graphical, is a line chart representation of the bar chart here. So it is an intelligent indicator that where you put your knowledge of break of structure and SR level into play. So you see what the RSI is saying that potentially price could return to this level for a buy. That is what the RSI is saying. The RSI says that this place price could come down here to test it for a potential buy opportunity. But we also look at it to see if price has what it takes to sustain price at that level. If it does have all it takes to sustain price at that level, then we look at it, we have another breakout of structure. We have here as a resistance structure, and then you can see how price has broken from the structure. After we broke out from that structure, and we also look at its interpretation in an MR chart, we see how price has broken out from that structure and ultimately went on to break to the upside in a massive bullish rally. So you can see it, price breaking from the structure. It makes sense to see a retest to a broken structure. So we want price to return here, but before price will return here, it has to break this demand floor. So let's look at the charts using two or three lines. Here we'll have a support structure. We have here, let's look at it. We have here in 2021, we have here support structure, break and retest of a support structure, become a resistance structure, a retest. After a break of a supply roof, and the price returns again, tested the second time, break of a demand floor, and a retest to a broken demand floor, setting up a sell structure. So this was how we got this, and price actually sold out from 73 into 49. It is from that price action that we got that. It's very clean and very simple, very clean and simple. The market is well calibrated. So what we see here using our strategy is that it approaches market based on structural perspective. So what we see here, price playing out actively, it's exactly what we expect it to be. So chart EFS hub. So let's do a little explanation. We have here this break of structure and test of the demand floor, break of the demand floor and test of supply roof, break of the supply roof and test of demand floor and test of demand floor with head and shoulder structure, break of a neckline and retest. So you can see after price forming a head and shoulder chart pattern, price broke the structure, retested the neckline one, retested two, retested three, and a bearish drop. And price has returned to retest the same structure again and break of a supply roof, price returns on demand. So it makes sense on technical to be patient to see if it is possible for price to come to this level for a potential buy. I think your next buy opportunity will be at this level where we see BTC below 100, below 80, 85K. So if price this comes to this level in this month, let me make a forecast, a very clean forecast that we can leverage on So let's say this is the December close. We're coming to this level by 84,872 for a buy. So this is a free buy idea. So using a vertical root strategy where we're going to find out the week is already come to an end and the next week closes the month. So where we look at the potential buy opportunity across of ascending trend line becomes a double confluence at 84.224.91 for potential buy opportunity based on Shavi FSO strategy. So these are potential buy opportunity based on our strategy. And let's further look to see the potency of the trend line, the angle of this trend. We want to look at the potency to see if what we have done is right or wrong. Is it the idea of having a clean chart? A clean chart is a testament. It speaks for itself. When your chart is incorrect, you will know through cloning. When you clone and try to see its price action, it will not rhyme. You won't have break of structure. So let's see if we have done the right thing or not. You will know. When you bring price here, what do you see? A match of the floor, where price have tapped in before and returned again for a bullish impulse. And we got here bullish structure. It is expected for us to come back here to retest a broken roof where we have a potential buy opportunity at 84.224.19 level. And let's also clone it subsequently, or let's just keep it. We want to keep a clean chart. We want to keep a clean chart. We want to keep a clean chart. For cleanness is next to godliness. You can see what price has done at this level. We have here break of structure, retest to a broken structure, break of the supply roof, price returns on demand one, price returns on demand two. So if we break up from this structure, the next area of buy will be here, where we expect the channel to be fulfilled. So price will come back here to retest 55K level. In the absence of that, we want to look at a descending structure where price are broken up from a descending chart pattern and subsequently retested at 63, 64,000 level for a sweep in massive price. So I want to see price return there in the future and give us a strong bullish reaction. So we have here resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure. Then we had a breakout in the month of October, Monday, and price returned for a retest before the final upswing move, where price have gone on to break a supply roof. It's expected to first return at 84.224 level, after which we see price come down. If it comes into this zone, then you know that Bitcoin has set itself for a sell, where price will sell until it comes to this level again. So this is what we see. So I'm going to change the color of this to make it a little bit colorful. So if you see price at 84,224.91, you're ready to go long. The reason you are going long is because we are trading the structure of the market. So in order to keep our charts clean and as clean as we can, you can see what price have done here, why this level is holding. You can see another level where price is holding. We have a strong price action on this level. We have a resistance structure, break of resistance structure, price returns on demand, and price returns on demand. Break of the demand floor, price returns on supply, break of the supply roof, price returns here, there's a structure of the top waged. So at this level, the price is playing on supply, and when price broke up from the supply roof, it's been testing and respecting this layer where I expect price to continue to show a strong stoppage. So at this level, I expect this level to continue to hold price for a buy. So we hold there for a buy. A breakout from that level will ultimately bring us to the green box where we look for a potential buy opportunity. So we need to be patient, allow the weekly candle break and close above this, below this line. Break and close below this line. Let's mark it black. So break and close below this line, go short. So allow the weekly candle come down completely, break out from the black ascending trend line. Then you now sell to 84 level. So let's see what will happen. And this is the final call for buy. You can see what price have done. This is a clean structure respected. The trend angle is valid. It's valid for now. Market always change trend angle, but for now we have a valid trend angle. Get price, and you can see how it reacted, and price came here and sold off. Very simple, using Shabby FS of market strategy. It's called market structure strategy. It's been tested, verified, it's been vindicated on so many platforms, on stocks, on indices, on commodities, on bonds. We have tried a couple of structures and we're able to interpret it based on demand and supply. So you can see what happened here. So if price breaks out from this black ascending trend line, I expect price to come here at 84 level. But for now, here is showing a strong demand structure. So if we fail to uphold the 90K level, then the next is to come down into 84K, where we look for a potential buy opportunity. So let's see the other supporting evidence by way of another ascending trend line. You can see price here. You can see a swing. You can see a breakout. I think I like this structure. I like this structure with a nice structure to back this level up. So we have another evidence to back 84K, 82K level for a potential buy opportunity. So here we have another breakout structure after price broke from a breakout from the demand floor, retested, and price retested again. We expect price to come back to show us a stronger reaction on that level. So you can see that line. I will change it to blue. So let's take in it and see what it has done. You can see here demand floor, break of the demand floor, retest, and price returns here on retest, retest of the supply roof, break of the supply roof, price returns here on demand, break of the demand floor, price returns here on retest. If price returns here, it will be double confluence. So the 84.224 level now have a verification for buy. So it's going to be vindicated on two terms. So we have here an ascending trend line with a very strong price action. I believe that price will come down here and give us some double confluence for a buy. And let's look at it again. We have an RSI divergent. RSI divergent is coming down. Most likely RFI divergent. If we are to come to this level, RSI will align and come to this level where we'll have a complete buy reaction. So if we manage to see our RSI coming to the reverse, then it will coincide with our 84 level where we look for a strong buy opportunity. So this will be our 84K zone where you see price rally up again. So it depends from where price is now. It's respecting here. This is this resistance, this is this support, and this is this support. So from where price is now, the weekly candle will come down here and revert. So it might revert with the intention to go hit our previous high RSI divergent roof, where we begin to look out for a potential sell opportunity at this level. So this is what we get using RSI divergent strategy, Shabby FSO.